4413 West 187th. Virtual tour, great neighborhood, Cam's Corner area. See, it's a nice area. 1-car garage. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Has a nice big back deck. Like here. Backyard. You can see the deck is nice for entertaining. There's also central air. Let's go inside. So you'll hear the chirping. That's gonna change the battery and smoke detection, which is happening today. But this is a nice kitchen area, a large eat-in kitchen. This comes complete with a refrigerator, gas cooking, dishwasher, a lot of cabinet space. You have a sliding glass door out to the deck, which is a nice for the summer or spring. You have coffee, entertainment. Then in the living room here, it's a nice big living room, as you can see. Wood floors. Also has nice vinyl windows. There's a first floor full bath here. So you have all that. Then you have 2 bedrooms here and they're good sized bedrooms too. They're not small. So they're nice. There's a all right there. Luxury vinyl on the floor. The other one has wood. You see that? Nice. And then you have a large upstairs bedroom. So big closet space, luxury vinyl, lots of plugs, shelves, storage up here. But again, it's a nice big bedroom or whatever, office, whatever you want to use it for. It has a lot of stuff in the building, shelving and stuff of that nature. And you have a second full bathroom here. I'll show you that one. That one's down in the basement. You have a finished basement area. And there's lots of storage down there. So these houses tend to be a lot bigger than they look. So let's go in here. So you got a lot of storage there. Storage here. So there's some storage there. So there's a lot of storage down here, and you can see it's a big area. Lots of plugs and switches. Then you have your laundry right here. Washer and dryer stays. And then you have another big bathroom, full bathroom down here. This was put in about 6 months ago, 7 months ago. It's brand new. So there you have it, your virtual tour, 4413 West 187. Thanks. Have a great day.